So this is the replacement part for the fog light E84 BMW X1 xDrive35i. So I do have the X line model, and this is the fog light that I need to replace because mine has a broken fog light, so I need to replace it. So this is the replacement part. So my car comes with the adaptive headlight. So this is the matching fog light replacement part. It's Saturday and it's shelter in place order, so I'm going to replace the broken fog light. In order to have access to the fog light, I need to remove this wheel well. So I managed to remove the wheel well liner. It's quite difficult, but I managed. So I need to remove and replace this, the fog light. Alright. So this is the broken fog light, and I'm going to replace it with this new one. Now that I have successfully installed the plastic wheel well, now I need to install this plastic rivet back. I'm using this rivet gun to install the plastic rivets. So it mounts flush. It looks good. Alright, I have completed installing the new fog light. Earlier, I keep mentioning about the wheel well liner. To be exact, it's the front fender liner that I removed in order to access the fog light. That's it. It looks good.